Om Om Sri Matre Namaha. I am Dr. Kollur Krishnayar from Moogambika Devasthanam. Today's Panchangam, Animasam 11th 25th June 2026, Thursday, Parabhavanama Samvalsaram, Uttarayanam, Grishma Ritu, Animasam, that is Midhuna Masam, Shukla Paksham, Tithi night up to 10:58 p.m. Ekadashi, then Dwadashi, Thursday, that is Guru Asram, Nakshatram night up to 7:33 p.m. Swadhi Nakshatram, then Vishaha Nakshatram. Rahugalam 1:30 to 3 p.m. Yamagandam 6 to 7:30 a.m. Guliyagalam 9 to 10:30 a.m. Good time 10:30 to 11:30 a.m. Then 5 to 6 p.m. Today's Chandrashtam for Minirashi, Shulam South, Prayachittam Jinjili Oil, Sradhatidi Ekadashi, Shuklapaksha Sarva Ekadashi. Om Klim Krishnaya Govindaya Gobijanavallavaya Swaha. Mahavishnu Sambhurna Anigraha Prasada Siddhyartam Mosha Prapti Siddhyartam. Om Sri Matre Namaha. Om Sri Matre Namaha. Om Sri Matre Namaha.